Ladies and gentlemen, friends and colleagues, let me give you a stern warning. What we are seeing now looks more and more like a dramatic resurgence of the threat from emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases. The world is not prepared to cope.
Now, the virus that we're talking about having to do, a lot of people think that goes away in April with the heat, as the heat comes in. Typically, that will go away in April. We're in great shape, though.
We really need to be prepared, and I think this is what this conversation is all about, increasing awareness and being prepared.
It shows that we have to go, and what public health people try to do, to go out of the box thinking. There is not the box climate and the box health and the box politics. It is interlinked.
And it will need to be an influence not only about the people who are involved. There is a tremendous need of involvement from social point of view, from political point of view, from financial point of view.
Somehow this crisis has also revealed the better side of people. And we need to acknowledge that, and we need to remember that as we build back.